Welcome to Dump Truck Toolbox. I'm Alan. Today we're going to do a hauling tale on milling, and we're going to talk about interest rates for hauling businesses. Just a quick little video. It's probably going to be a short day today because a holiday weekend is coming up. Pulling into the milling site, we've been doing the main road here. We're doing what's called connectors, the segment of pavement leading off into the side road. I wanted to talk interest rates. They've been in the news recently. They've been historically high compared to the last few decades of interest rates. The economy seems to be cooling off enough that the Federal Reserve is talking about potentially reducing interest rates. What's the impact of that on a hauling business? First of all, it will reduce interest rates for purchase, especially of dump trucks. And so that's good news if you're thinking of buying a dump truck. If you're buying a new dump truck, it's pretty much all good news. However, I've heard that there is quite a wait to get new dump trucks. If you're thinking of buying one, talk to your dealer, get in line. Do not expect to buy one off the lot or even to get one ordered and delivered to you in the near future. Buying a used dump truck, you might say, oh yeah, it's good news for me too. Well, yes it is, but with used dump trucks, previously built homes, many other things, a cut in interest rates sometimes leads to an increase in purchase price. Why is that? Well, as interest rates go down, more people enter the market as buyers for dump trucks, and that means that good value dump trucks are snapped up. The remaining trucks on the market, the prices start going up, and even if other people who've been thinking about selling their truck for a while enter the market, they're going to probably price at a higher level. Now, it's a little unpredictable, so don't take this as a prophecy, but probably used dump truck prices would increase if interest rates are cut. The second potential consequence of a cut in interest rates is an increase in business activity. And so if you are in the hauling business and you serve building construction or materials for general contractors, you may see not an immediate change, but in the next few months or by the next building season in 2025, more demand for your services. It's not true across the board for hauling businesses. I work for a company that does asphalt and road construction. As a result, our funding is driven more by the availability of government money. And I've talked previously about how the Bipartisan Deficit Reduction Act led to an influx of something like $150 billion in new road construction money. Well, the timing of that is independent of interest rates. It's driven more by the decision of Congress, state legislatures, and even local government that has to pony up matching money. So it's not that the hauling business as a whole is going to benefit from reduced interest rates, but certain segments of it will. My advice to anyone in the hauling business or thinking of getting into the hauling business is you ought to be making your decision to start a business, purchase a truck, expand your fleet based on the basic strategy, the basic value of the service you can provide and the profit you can make. Interest rates may help you adjust your decision a little bit. Maybe you can afford more truck or purchasing a truck sooner. But getting into the hauling business because of a short-term change in interest rates it's probably not the most wise choice. It's not a complete decision. Instead, get into the business, expand your business, or get out of the business because of the fundamental economic value of what you could provide compared to what you could do elsewhere with your time and money. So thank you for joining me on the channel today. As always, appreciate your support. Click like if you found today's video interesting or useful. Comment below. Subscribe if you haven't done so. This is Alan, and I hope to see you again soon on the Dump Truck Toolbox.